Have you ever wondered how to make money online? With the rise of the digital age, the possibilities for generating income from the comfort of your own home have become nearly limitless. One such possibility is MaxBounty, a proven and reliable platform for online income generation. Imagine having a tool at your disposal that allows you to tap into a wealth of lucrative opportunities right at your fingertips. MaxBounty is that tool. It's a platform that has been changing lives and opening doors for countless individuals around the globe. By leveraging the power of affiliate marketing, MaxBounty provides an avenue for everyone to earn money online. No matter your background or experience, with the right know-how, you too can start reaping the benefits that MaxBounty has to offer. So, are you ready to embark on a new journey of financial independence? Stick around to learn how you can start earning with MaxBounty today. Firstly, let's understand what MaxBounty is. MaxBounty is a performance-based affiliate network, pioneering the realm of internet marketing. It stands as a bridge between advertisers who want to sell products and services, and affiliates who want to promote these products and earn commissions. MaxBounty operates on a cost-per-action or CPA model, meaning affiliates get paid when a specific action is taken by the user, such as a sale, a sign-up, or a form submission. What makes MaxBounty unique is its commitment to providing the highest paying rates in the industry and its dedication to superior service. It's a platform that values its affiliates, ensuring they have access to the best offers in the market, with over 2,000 active campaigns covering a broad spectrum of verticals. One of the main features of MaxBounty is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be straightforward and easy to navigate, allowing affiliates to find the best campaigns to promote with ease. It also offers a variety of promotional materials, from banners to email templates, making it easier for affiliates to promote their chosen campaigns. MaxBounty also provides affiliates with comprehensive tracking and reporting tools. These tools give affiliates the ability to track their performance and optimize their campaigns for better results. And, for those who need a little extra guidance, MaxBounty even offers dedicated affiliate managers who can provide expert advice and support. In terms of payment, MaxBounty offers weekly payments to its affiliates, which is a huge plus for those who need quick cash flow. They have a variety of payment methods to choose from, including check, PayPal, and wire transfer, making it convenient for affiliates all over the world. In essence, MaxBounty is a powerful tool for online entrepreneurs. It provides an opportunity to earn money by promoting products and services from various advertisers. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or a beginner looking to dip your toes in the world of affiliate marketing, MaxBounty offers a platform that caters to your needs and helps you reach your financial goals. Now that you know what MaxBounty is, the next step is learning how to use it to earn money. The first step to earning with MaxBounty is setting up your account. Just like any other platform, setting up your MaxBounty account is a straightforward process, so let's jump right into it. Head to the MaxBounty website. There, you will find a Register Now button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you will be directed to the registration page. On the registration page, you'll find a form that requires some basic information. Start by choosing a username. This is how you'll be identified on MaxBounty, so make sure it's something that you'll remember. Next, create a password. Remember, security is everything in the online world. So choose a strong password that's not easily guessable. Moving on, fill in your first and last name followed by your email address. Make sure to use an active email because you'll need to verify it later. Now, choose your country from the drop-down menu and fill in your city and postal code. Next is the company name. If you're an individual, you can put your full name here. If you have a business, input your business name. Then fill in your phone number. MaxBounty may use this to contact you for account verification. Now you'll see a section asking how you got to know about MaxBounty. You can choose the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. There's also a space where you can describe your past experience with affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Simply write about why you're interested in affiliate marketing and what you hope to achieve. After filling out all the details, click on the Register button at the bottom of the form. An activation link will be sent to your email. Click on it to verify your email address and activate your account. And that's it. You've successfully set up your MaxBounty account. Remember to keep your login details safe and secure. With your account set up, you are ready to start earning. Navigating the MaxBounty dashboard is crucial for your success. The dashboard is your command center, your hub of operations. It's where you'll interact with MaxBounty's features and tools, and it's designed to make your life easier. So let's dive in and understand the nuts and bolts of this dashboard. When you first log in, you'll see your main dashboard. This is where you'll get a snapshot of your performance. It displays your earnings, clicks, and conversions, giving you a quick overview of how you're doing. On the left side, you'll notice a navigation panel. This is your main menu. It's divided into several sections, each with its own set of tools and features. The reports section, for instance, provides detailed information about your campaigns. You can see your earnings, the number of clicks, and other important metrics. It's a treasure trove of data that can help you optimize your campaigns. Next, there's the offers section. This is where you'll find all the available affiliate offers. You can browse through them, filter them based on different criteria, and choose the ones that fit your audience and your marketing strategy. Then, we have the advertisers section. This is where you can find information about the advertisers you're working with. You can see their offers, their payout rates, and other important details. It's a great place to research and choose your partners. Lastly, there's the account section. This is where you can manage your personal details, payment information, and account settings. It's also where you can reach out to MaxBounty's support team if you ever need help. Each section is designed to provide you with the tools and information you need to succeed. So, don't hesitate to explore them, to test things out, and to learn how they work. The more familiar you are with the dashboard, the better you'll be at leveraging its power. To wrap it all up, the MaxBounty dashboard is both a control panel and a data center. It's where you manage your campaigns, track your performance, research offers and advertisers, and handle your account details. It's a one-stop shop for all your affiliate marketing needs. Understanding the dashboard is the first step to mastering MaxBounty. Choosing the right offers is key to earning with MaxBounty. So how do you go about this? It's not as complex as it may seem. Let's break it down. First, identify your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? Their age group? Understanding your audience will guide you in selecting offers that resonate with them. Remember, relevance is king in this game. Next, look at the offer's payout. This is the amount you'll earn when the required action is completed. It might be tempting to go for the highest payout, but hold your horses. A high payout doesn't always equate to a successful campaign. You need to consider the conversion requirements. Is it a simple email submit, or does it require a purchase? This brings us to the third aspect, the conversion rate. This is the percentage of people who complete the required action after clicking the offer. A high conversion rate often signifies that the offer is appealing and easy to complete. However, don't let a low conversion rate dissuade you. It might just mean the offer requires a specific audience or a more strategic approach. Now let's talk about EPC, or earnings per click. This is a crucial factor in assessing an offer's potential. EPC tells you how much you can expect to earn on average for every click you generate. It's calculated by dividing the total earnings by the total number of clicks. An offer with a high EPC is often a good pick, but don't overlook those with lower EPCs. They might just need a different strategy to thrive. Lastly, consider the offer's longevity. Will it be around for a while? Seasonal offers can be great earners, but they're not a long-term solution. Choose offers that have a good mix of longevity and profitability. Remember that choosing offers is not a one-size-fits-all process. It requires a keen eye, a bit of strategy, and a dash of intuition. Experiment with different offers, track your results, and adjust your approach as needed. Choosing the right offers can significantly increase your earning potential on MaxBounty. Earning money online with MaxBounty is not as complicated as it may seem. We've journeyed together through the basics of what MaxBounty is, an affiliate marketing platform that offers a myriad of opportunities to monetize your online presence. We've walked through the process of setting up your MaxBounty account, a simple yet crucial step towards your online revenue goals. We also dived into how to navigate the MaxBounty dashboard, an essential tool that's your command center for tracking your earnings and managing your campaigns. And of course, we discussed the importance of choosing the right offers, a strategic decision that can significantly influence your earning potential. Remember, your success with MaxBounty hinges on your understanding of its workings, your strategic choice of offers, and your ability to effectively manage your campaigns through the dashboard. It's a journey, not a sprint. With the right approach and understanding, you too can start earning with MaxBounty today.